Welcome back to Cooking with Layla, and today I have a special person, a special pet that's going to be helping me do my video. It's my chick. His name is Donut. And the first thing we gotta add first is this. Oh my god, this is hardish. Gotta get a big spoonful. That's done. Now for the vanilla. And remember, if you have something like this, you gotta put it into the big hole. Alright, first vanilla. And now for the salty one. Now we gotta mix it on low to light and fluffy. Oh wow, it's actually mixing in. Oh no. This is actually going to be. That looks white, and then this looks a little. It's not even fluffy yet. So now we're going to put the half a cup of milk in. Then we're going to put this in, which is 4 cups of powdered sugar. Oh wow, that's a lot. Now we gotta add in a little bit more, but make sure to add a little bit, then mix it again. That's enough. That's a little amount. Turn it to 1. So the cakes just came out of the oven, and now we just have to keep making this. I know, chicken. It looks amazing. Let's go together. Now always remember to go like around and around so it can mix like each spot. Because this is what you have to do with the blender. At the rest. Are you sure? I'm on level 2. You want me to go on level 3? You said too much. It's turning into icing right now. So now we're going to shape the cake into a bunny. Let's turn this off. What? There. Come on, Tiki dance. It's dance break time. Go, Chicky. Go, Chicky. Go. Go, Chicky. Go, Chicky. Go. Woo. Go, Chicky. Me and my mom put the icing in the bag, and now we are going to add my red and blue. I mean, my red and pink. Red, red, red. Now we're gonna mix in the red, and let's see what kind of color it turns. It might turn into red, light red, or it might turn into dark red. Let's see what it will turn out like. A little bit more. I got some food coloring. Wipe it on my apron. All right, so our red is done. Here you go. A few drops. Ooh, that was big. Put in blue and red, and Daddy might like this color. That I'm gonna put on Daddy. So now Mom's cutting the cake. She's doing it with a knife. And always be careful using a knife, kids, because it can be very dangerous for kids. Ask an adult for help. Sure that looks like a bunny. It actually does look like a bunny. So now we got the icing in the bags. Time to make our bunny cake. But always remember, put the white on first and dot it to make it look like fur. And hold it at the top and on the bottom. You gotta dot it. Dot. Everyone, I changed my mind, so I'm gonna spread it. Alright, so now we're gonna do the blue. So now I'm back to spreading it with the spreader, and I need a bit more red. But Mom forgot the spot that she did. It needs to be spreaded here. Right, there we go. Time for the blue eyes. Right, so the blue eyes is going to be like amazing. There we go. Other eye now. A small face. Ooh la la. That's gonna be his mustache. And we're back going to be putting dots. Oh, is this? That was blue. Those was red. gonna cover the skin with a little bit of blue. There we go. And I'm gonna put red. I'm gonna put red dots like on the bow. And a little bit more red right there, cause it's. All right, guys, it's almost finished. We just need. Oh, we forgot the red in ears. Oh my God, we forgot the red in ears.
Red
Ooh, somebody, bunny ears, bunny ears. I'm gonna spread it with the spread thing. I got this from Paul and Nana. They bought me an icing kit. They got me the icing kit, and the rest, Mom had them. Yeah, they got me the ingredients too to make the cake, so now we're using them. Dad, come look at this bunny cake. That tastes just like strawberries. And the icing tastes pretty good, cause I got it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.